ensure that our microfinance institutions, which are crucial to the financial sector of this country, do not suffer distress and end up causing more suffering to Kenyans. The bill also allows the Central Bank of Kenya to use its School of Monetary Studies to engage in training in Kenya and also regionally, and collaborate with other institutions, also make money, Your Excellency, as part of its aid in doing so. Your Excellency, the other bill that comes before you today is a small one, the Parliamentary Pensions Act. This one, Your Excellency, was introduced in the House on behalf of the Pensions Committee, Parliament, by the member for Kitui Central, the Honorable Makali Bulu, on behalf of the committee which is chaired by the Right Honorable Speaker of the National Assembly. The bill attempts to bring into currency the Pensions Act of Parliament, which is a 1983 Act. And that Act, Your Excellency, it recognizes age of majority to be 16 years, which is not in conformity with the practice and the Constitution of Kenya currently. And the bill also does not recognize age of majority, that is children of members of Parliament. It recognizes them to be not more than 16 years old, while under the current regime and our laws, age of majority is 18 years. So the bill is doing that cleanup. Your Excellency, the 1983 Act also lives in the past. It recognizes only one house, which is National Assembly, but our Constitution now has both houses, the National Assembly and the Senate. Therefore, the committees responsible for pension of members of Parliament, the Parliamentary Pension Committee, the Tribunal, are now becoming bicameral, so that we have members of both houses sitting in them. Your Excellency, the 1983 Act also did not recognize widowers in case of death of a member of Parliament, even though the practice does recognize widowers. So this bill now brings that into currency, so that widowers will now benefit from the pension estate of a deceased female member of Parliament. It's a bill that was introduced last Parliament, but did not see light of day until this Parliament. Your Excellency, permit me to resign my commission at this stage. Thank you.
Your Excellency, sir, I now invite you to hand over the copies of the Act to the Deputy President, to the Attorney General for publication into law, and the Principal Secretary, National Treasury for implementation, and to all other esteemed state officials in attendance. Your Excellency may also graciously present ceremonial copies of the Act to the Speaker of the National Assembly, the leader of majority party in the National Assembly, other members of Parliament present, Your Excellency will unveil and display an open ceremonial copy of the Act, while other state officials shall bear close with copies. This marks the end of our presidential assent ceremony this morning. I thank you, Your Excellency.